Champions League again. The thing they share. And Anthony Joshua too is the para. He say take am now. Now he want use to take deliver ginger am before he go do wetin enter ring with Joseph Parker. The Okpeke there for the under 20 national team wey be the Falconets, I tell you, they go sabi because now for two na dem chook leg for the final draw wey go shele on top of the women world cup wey go shele for France and plenty other tori wey dey for here. Funke Osinaike dey para. You say the ministry fall in hand on top of say dem comot the name for the Okpeke dem. Say for table tennis you no go see Okpeke wey go play table tennis for Naija for the Commonwealth Games for Australia.
And James, 98 days before World Cup game go shele for June, World Cup trophy go waka enter Naija serere today. Wetin go happen after that time? We go yarn you for this course of this program. And one other thing, Minister of Sport Dr. Solomon Dalung don set committee for the $150,000 grant wey miss for the IAAF grant wey miss. On top which level we go yarn you very soon.
Make we begin waka sharparly, and where we dey enter na the rich side o. One person dey talk Naija Britico pikin Anthony Joshua wey be say he carry 3 title 3 belt take put for him waist on top of the heavyweight level for boxing wey be one champion. He come dey talk o. He say Carlos Takam, oh boy, you dey ginger, you get muscle, you get liver, make I take you, train with you, enter in with you, so that when I sabi the ginger, you go fit give me that liver to collide with Joseph Parker. Takam, no forget, he collect koboko for Joshua handle on top of the round 10 knockout wey be say shele for October, and the match wey be say for time wey go tute wey go shele with bros wey be Joseph Parker na the March 31st. And he come dey talk the IBF with the WBA, e dey in hand, and WBO too, everything na it and that for ground o. And bros you come carry everything come take job body, say nothing dey happen, make I train with Takam because this guy get muscle, he get chest, because he go fit ginger me to collide, so that bros he go fit collect koboko for my hand when we enter the ring. Anywhere where these bros dey are ready to gbege Joseph Parker.
And me sef still dey that boxing ring. Filipino boxer Manny Pacquiao don yarn say he go face either world champion Lucas Matthysse or Danny Garcia for Malaysia for May or June. Pacquiao wey reject small fight with Mike Alvarado say im camp don dey narrow im fight down to the 2 Kulele fighters wey be Garcia and Matthysse, because na dem be the 2 Kulele fighters wey dey for ground now. He talk say he no just wan fight anybody. Now Kulele fight he wan fight for this year.
And from another level, make we run for 40 enter the table tennis backyard o. Naija Okpeke, Naija pikin Funke Osinaike wey be before African champion for table tennis for Okpeke level. She dey talk this morning o. She even dey para. She talk say the sport ministry dem fall in hand. How this level go be like this when girls wey dem dey camp since, wey dem dey dream, dem dey hope say dem go carry green white green jersey enter Australia for the Commonwealth Games. You can't tell them say make dem dey go their papa house, say nothing dey happen. You say because na only bobo dem na dem carry come give us say na him go dey represent Naija for the table tennis event. He say 5 bobo na dem go dey there. Okpeke where dem dey, dem don comot their name for the list. Why na dey do like this? Sport ministry no be so dem dey do am o, because if na so dem do for us, I no go fit reach this level where I dey. Because if you do that kind of level, plenty things go shele tomorrow. This same Okpeke, competition still plenty, you dey discourage them now. How dem come fit ginger to take represent Naija for another level? This level e no pure. To comot Okpeke name for the list for people wey go represent Naija, e no suppose be. Na Funke Osinaike dey para dey vomit am this morning.
And before I go enter Serena Williams side, the Minister of Sport Barrister Solomon Dalung don set up committee to look into the $150,000 IAAF grant wey miss, wey dem suppose use for all the trials, for all the camping of the athletes. The money come miss. He come talk say not be suppose e suppose be, not be so e suppose be. Make we shook eye enter investigate how that matter dey be for that level.
And I still dey with the sport minister Taiwo, the level wey I take tada for inside Barrister Solomon Dalon wey be sport minister for the sport with the youth development. Bros dey talk o, e say when we package competition for grassroots level, these children go grow to come be superstars for Naija. And bros come add on top say that level e go help us o to take do wetin, carry every support take discover talent. And Oga Dalon come talk for another level. E say make pepper rest o, because we suppose carry heavy money, carry am throw away on top of sport development, because if you no do am, talent no dey follow or comot for inside cloud o. Bros e come vomit im mind for the second Akwa Ibom State Youth Sport Festival wey shele for Uyo. And bros e no dey there, but the permanent secretary for the ministry na im come tanda for bros Esther Aluko, na im vomit the mind for the honourable sport minister. Support sport, make pepper rest, you go discover talent wey go represent Naija tomorrow.
And American pikin Serena Williams don reveal say e don ready to enter the tennis court to gbege any okpeke tennis player, as she don rediscover her fitness level again and go play for the Indian Wells campaign for this week, where Serena Williams wey be 36-year-old only test her capability for the Federation Cup for last month, as she no play for the Australia Open on top say she no sure of her fitness level. She go come face Zarina Diaz of Kazakhstan for first round for Thursday for the Indian Wells campaign tennis tournament for this week.
Make we enter football proper this morning. I tell you, Super Falcons Okpeke under 20 national team for Naija, they wey dey ready to carry the green white green jersey enter France for the under 20 Okpeke World Cup level wey go dey shele for France o. As we dey yarn na for 2 na dey tanda for that level, because the draw e go shele for time wey be say e no go too tey, and the final draw to take sabi where Super Falcons go tanda, we go tell una for inside this house wey be Rock Sport for 101.9. And the thing go dey shele, that final draw e go dey shele for France. And if you check the record, Taiwo, check am, they collect second position for 2010 for the under 20 women's World Cup. 2015 na 5th position na dem tanda. The pot 2 USA before champion dem dey there, CONCACAF champion Mexico dem dey there too, the Oceanian champion New Zealand dem dey that pot 2. So the Super Falcons dem go sabi the opponent for time wey no go too tey, for the proper World Cup draw wey go shele for time wey no go too tey.
And who come dey the other pot? For pot 1, France dey there, Germany dey there, Korea DPR wey be Korea Democratic Republic come dey there, and Japan. For pot 3, Brazil, Spain, Ghana, China Republic. And for pot 4, England, Paraguay, Haiti and Netherlands come tanda sidon for there. And for the CAF Champions League result wey shele yesterday for Africa level, Etoile du Sahel come beat Plateau United of Naija 4-2. na so the match end, and dem must win for Naija here at least for 2 goals wey Etoile du Sahel of Tunisia no suppose score any goal if dem wan qualify. And for today, the match wey go dey shele for the CAF Champions League today, MC Algiers for Algeria go dey host MFM FC of Naija for Algeria. And for the CAF Confederation Cup level, Energy FC of Benin Republic go dey host our Enyimba of Aba, and Al Ittihad go dey host Aqua United.
And for the continent for Africa, Naija club dem suppose ginger. If you check am proper, since 2002 2003 no club for Naija collect CAF Champions League. Even the CAF Confederation Cup, we no dey near am, but the 2 teams wey say that dey represent Naija, the club dem, make dem ginger. And the open eye dey see Enyimba say dem fit shock others for that level.
And so for that match against Plateau United, where Etoile du Sahel beat them, na Etoile du Sahel first score 4 goals, but those girl boys for Naija level, they come say, oh boy, this level no pure. If you carry that 4-0 go house, e no go kulele. Na so then ginger, they come score 2 goals. So as it be, if they fit enter Naija, play very well, make sure say Etoile du Sahel no score any goal, they come carry 2 goal waka. Na so dem go qualify.
And on top of the World Cup level, remember the original trophy, e dey do wetin, dey waka up and down, enter different countries. But for today, they go dey show for Abuja. Those wey dey Abuja, dey hear us. You go see the original trophy for the World Cup wey be say 32 countries go dey gbege each other for Russia for June. And na 11 a.m. na that trophy e go enter area for Abuja.
I dey hope say that trophy go use Naija as im base come sit down for Naija, make e no go again, make e come sit down for here. And for the Champions League result wey shele yesterday, PSG for their home come lose to Real Madrid 2-1, and Real Madrid come qualify. Dem come be the first club wey qualify for the quarter-final stage, and for Liverpool for their home play 0-0 as dem don beat Porto before 5-0 on aggregate. So Liverpool and Real Madrid don qualify for the quarter-final stage, and today Manchester City go dey host Basel. No forget say dem too dem don win 4-0 for Basel. Tottenham Hotspur wey play 2-2 with Juve for the first leg go come host Juve for Wembley for today. And then coach Mario Pochettino don yarn say e dey fear that player wey dem dey call Gonzalo Higuain, because e know say the boy good and e fit cause katakata for the team.
Na so e go be for today, the midweek edition for Rock Sport for 101.9, where we dey carry you take join body on top of story for inside sport wey be say fresh wella. Rock Sport na im o for Rock City FM. Till tomorrow, na bye Gary.
My name na Taiwo Fabaja. Abeg enjoy your day. Bye for now.